Many people believe that January is the worst month for gardening, but the truth is that winter actually creates perfect conditions for growing certain vegetables, especially when you use containers instead of open ground. Cold temperatures slow down pests, prevent plants from bolting, and improve flavor, which means January can give you healthier and tastier vegetables with much less effort. If you have a balcony, terrace, rooftop, or even a sunny corner near your window, you can start growing fresh vegetables right now without waiting for spring. Watch this video till the end, because one of these vegetables grows faster in January than in any other season. Container gardening in January is one of the smartest ways to grow food at home, because containers allow you to fully control the soil, moisture, sunlight, and protection from extreme cold. Unlike garden beds, pots warm up faster during the day and protect plant roots from harsh winter soil conditions. You do not need a large space, professional tools, or years of experience to succeed with winter container gardening. In this video, I will explain 8 vegetables that grow exceptionally well in pots during January and are perfect for beginners. 1. Spinach. Winter's most reliable vegetable. Spinach is one of the most reliable vegetables you can grow in January because it naturally prefers cool weather and actually struggles in heat. When grown in containers during winter, spinach develops softer leaves, deeper green color, and a sweeter taste compared to summer-grown plants. For best results, use a pot that is 6 to 8 inches deep with proper drainage holes, as spinach roots are shallow but sensitive to waterlogging. Fill the container with loose soil mixed with compost to provide steady nutrition without heavy feeding. Place the pot where it receives 4 to 5 hours of gentle morning sunlight, which helps leaf growth without drying the soil. Water consistently to keep the soil slightly moist, because dry soil can slow growth and cause bitterness. Within 10 to 14 days, you will notice fresh green leaves emerging, and by harvesting outer leaves regularly, the plant will continue producing for several weeks too. Lettuce. Perfect for small containers. Lettuce is an ideal January vegetable for container gardening because cold temperatures prevent bolting, which keeps the leaves tender, crisp, and mild in flavor. Unlike many vegetables, lettuce does not require deep soil, making it perfect for wide and shallow pots or trays. Use while draining soil and sprinkle seeds lightly on the surface, covering them with a very thin layer of soil. Gentle watering is important as heavy watering can disturb the seeds and compact the soil. Lettuce grows best in partial sunlight, especially in winter, where harsh sun is not needed. One of the biggest advantages of growing lettuce in January is the fast harvest time, as baby leaves can be picked within 3 to 4 weeks. Instead of pulling out the entire plant, cut the outer leaves and allow the center to keep growing, giving you multiple harvests from a single container. 3. Radish. Fastest root crop for January. Radish is one of the fastest vegetables you can grow in January, making it perfect for beginner gardeners who want quick success. Cold weather prevents radishes from becoming bitter and helps them grow crisp and juicy. For container gardening, radishes need a pot that is at least 10 to 12 inches deep so the roots can grow straight without obstruction. The soil must be loose and light, as compact soil causes deformed or cracked radishes. Watering should be regular but controlled because uneven watering can lead to splitting roots. Radishes do not require heavy fertilization and grow well with basic compost-rich soil. In January conditions, radishes mature within 25 to 30 days, which makes them one of the quickest winter harvests. This fast growth also makes radishes excellent for maintaining motivation during winter gardening. 4. Green onions. Cut and come again. Vegetable. Green onions are one of the easiest vegetables to grow in containers during January and require very little maintenance. They tolerate cold weather extremely well and continue growing slowly but steadily throughout winter. You can grow green onions either from seeds or by replanting the white root ends from kitchen scraps. making them a very economical option. A small container with good drainage is enough. As green onions do not need deep soil, place the pot in a sunny location and keep the soil lightly moist at all times. One of the biggest advantages of growing green onions is their regrowth ability, as you can cut the green tops for cooking and the plant will grow back again. This makes them ideal for lazy gardeners who want a continuous harvest without replanting. 5. Carrots' sweeter roots and winter carrots grown in January develop a noticeably sweeter flavor because cold temperatures slow growth and allow natural sugars to accumulate in the roots. For successful container gardening, carrots require a deep pot that is at least 12 inches tall to support proper root development. The soil must be loose and well-draining, often improved by mixing sand or cocoa peat to prevent compaction. Carrot seeds should always be sown directly in the container, as transplanting can damage the root and affect growth. Watering should be consistent but light, keeping the soil moist without making it soggy. While carrots grow more slowly in winter compared to summer, the quality of the harvest is far superior. The patience required is rewarded with straight, sweet, and crunchy carrots perfect for fresh eating and cooking. 6. Peas. Best vertical winter vegetable. Peas are one of the best vegetables to grow in January because they thrive in cool temperatures and struggle in heat. Container-grown peas require a medium-sized pot along with a simple trellis, sticks, or strings to support vertical growth. Growing peas vertically not only saves space but also improves airflow and reduces disease risk. Peas do not require heavy fertilization as they naturally fix nitrogen in the soil, improving overall soil health. Place the container in a sunny spot where it receives at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. Water regularly but avoid waterlogging, as excess moisture can cause root problems. Within 6 to 8 weeks, pea plants begin producing fresh pods, making them a rewarding winter crop for container gardeners. 7. Mustard greens. Fastest winter leafy green mustard greens are one of the fastest growing vegetables. You can plant in January, making them perfect for quick results. They tolerate cold temperatures extremely well and even improve in flavor during winter. Mustard greens grow well in shallow containers and do not require deep soil. Seeds germinate quickly, often within 7 to 10 days, even in cool weather. The plants require minimal care and only need moderate watering and partial sunlight. You can harvest mustard greens at different stages, picking young leaves for salads or allowing them to mature for cooking. Because of their rapid growth and resilience, mustard greens are excellent for beginner gardeners who want confidence and visible success. During winter gardening. 8. Garlic greens. Maximum flavor. Minimal effort. Garlic greens are an excellent January container crop for gardeners who want strong flavor without waiting months for full garlic bulbs. Instead of planting seeds, you simply plant garlic cloves a few inches deep in well-draining soil. Garlic grows slowly but steadily during winter and requires very little attention once planted. Place the container in a sunny location and water lightly whenever the soil feels dry. The green shoots begin emerging within a few weeks and can be harvested once they reach 6 to 8 inches tall. Cutting the greens does not kill the plant, allowing multiple harvests over time. Garlic greens are perfect for winter cooking and add rich flavor to meals with almost no effort. January is not a pause button for gardening. It is a powerful opportunity to grow fresh, healthy food with less effort and fewer problems. Container gardening allows you to work with winter instead of fighting it, giving you better control, cleaner plants, and more reliable harvests. You don't need to grow all 8 vegetables at once. Starting with just 2 or 3 pots is more than enough to begin your winter garden journey. Every small harvest builds confidence and proves that fresh food can be grown in any season, even in January. If this video helped you see winter gardening differently, support the channel by liking the video so more people can learn this simple method. Subscribe for more easy container gardening and lazy gardening tips that actually work. And tell me in the comments which vegetable are you planting. First this January, happy winter gardening!